Start off.
Start off. He started off his journey early in the morning.
Stop off.
Stop off. We stopped off at a cafe before heading home. Turn on.
Turn on.
Please turn on the lights. Turn off.
Turn off.
Don't forget to turn off the TV before sleeping.
Pick up.
Pick up. I will pick you up at 5 p.m. Drop off.
Drop off.
Can you drop me off at school? Put on.
Put on.
She put on her favorite dress for the party. Take off.
Take off.
Please take off your shoes before entering.
Speed up.
Speed up.
The driver sped up to overtake the car.
Slow down.
Slow down.
Slow down. You're driving fast. Wake up.
Wake up.
I wake up early in the morning. Fall asleep.
Fall asleep.
He fell asleep while reading.
Take out.
Take out. Please take out the trash. Put back.
Put back.
Put the books back on the shelf after reading. Give up.
Give up.
Never give up on your dreams. Carry on.
Carry on.
He carried on, working despite the difficulties.
Sit down.
Sit down. Please sit down and wait for your turn. Stand up.
Stand up.
Everyone stood up when the teacher entered.
Call in.
Call in. They called in a specialist for the repair. Call out.
Call out.
He called out his name loudly.
Take off.
Take off. The plane took off on time.
Land. Land.
The flight landed safely.
Clean up.
Clean up? Let's clean up this room before the guests arrive.
Mess up.
Mess up. The kids messed up the entire living room.
Close up.
Close up. The shop closes up at 9 p.m. Open up. Open up. She opened up her new cafe yesterday.
Set off.
Set off. They set off on their journey early in the morning.
Stay back.
Stay back. I stayed back to finish the work.